Since we're here, how do you change your actual Wi-Fi name?
So you can also change your Wi-Fi name, but there's one little rule here. You need to keep the L.O.V.E there. Otherwise, it will not accept the name change. So you can be Love dash Errol, Love dash Stephen, Love dash your business name, whatever you like. However, you must retain the L.O.V.E. And once you type in the part that you want changed, like the 888-84EA, then you hit save. And again, like with the password, once that's updated, you're going to need to re-log into any or reconnect any devices because the name changed, right? So you were on Love 888-84EA, and now maybe you're on Love dash Errol. And so the system's going to need you to go in and put in your password and choose that goes with the right Wi-Fi name. So that's how you can change the name. You can change your name and your password at the same time. However, if you don't do it correctly, you won't get a successful confirmation. And some people think that they did change it simply because they hit save, but they didn't keep the L.O.V.E. or they didn't have 8 characters. Anything that's not correct there, the system won't actually take it, even though you may think it did. So you need a success message when you're done changing your Wi-Fi name, your Wi-Fi password, or both simultaneously.
So there's a
And
success after you click on the save button?
that's correct. There should be a success.
Perfect.
And that's how you change those two things. Just know you go to device and Wi-Fi hotspot and edit. And then once you've done that, you need to reconnect your devices to the right Wi-Fi name and with the right changed or new password.